Alright, here we are. We're going to talk about the examples from kind of the different triangle terms lessons. And specifically, we're going to be playing with angle bisectors, medians, and perpendicular bisectors. So, we got these figures. It says you're given an angle bisector. So right away, remember what those do. They cut an angle in half. So you could go like this, if you wanted. And again, in your brain, these guys are equal. We're supposed to find x. If angle 1 is 3x plus 7, and angle 2 is 17 plus 2x, we know these angles are equal because they've been bisected. So we can go 17 plus 2x equals, the other guy, 3x plus 7. And from here, you've got your algebra. Right back to algebra, so we're going to minus the smaller x from both sides. And then I'm going to get my variable totally by itself, and it looks like I have 10 equals x. Boom, done. Now, number 3 is going to be similar. We have an angle bisector, so I'm going to mark my angles. So angle 1 equals angle 2. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Angle 1 is given, but angle 2 is not. It says HFG. HFG. Well, HFG is the whole angle, right? And the whole angle is 8x minus 8. Now, a couple ways we can do this. One thing to remember though is angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, yeah? Yeah. If this guy is 2x plus 16, the bottom guy is also 2x plus 16. And that's legal, I can write that because they're equal. Now I can say, hey look, I have a part plus part equals whole situation. This guy plus this guy equals this guy. 2x plus 16, I could even times it by 2 if I wanted, times 2, because I got 2 of them, equals the big guy. If you don't want to do a distribution, you can just write that twice and then combine your terms. You're going to get the same value. Distribute. And here we go. I'm going to minus my 4x both sides because that's my smaller x value. And I'm going to add my value from my variable side over. And then I'm just going to divide both sides by 4. Another 10. Look at that. Number 4 is similar. Okay? Because we got bisected angles. These guys are congruent. Angle 2 is this, 12x plus 5. And SQR is 26x plus 4. So the whole angle is 26x plus 4. So what we can do, same thing, we take our original angle, double it, and we get the full. So 2 times 12x plus 5 equals the full angle, 26x minus plus 4. I'll be honest, I'm not sure how many of these problems you're actually going to see. But you should know how to do them. Distribute. And then we're just going to move our smaller x to our bigger x's side. Minus the number, move the number. Bop, x equals 3. Next problems go into medians. Okay, remember what a median does? It cuts a side in half. So, number 5. Find x if HM, first off median. There's my median. HM equals 2x minus 9, and HN equals x minus 3. Okay. Well, we got our problem set up. These two guys are congruent because they're medians. So we can go x minus 3 equals 2x minus 9. And we're just ready to solve this guy. I'm going to move my smaller x to my bigger x's side. Move my number to the other side. And we've got ourselves a 6 equals x. Boom, baby. So the goal of this is to set up an equation. That's what we're using the median to do. Now, this next one, watch closely again, because we got a median. LK is 5x minus 2. LK is 5x minus 2. Wait a minute, that's the whole thing. WK is 3x minus 2. It is the whole thing, okay? So, we've got to figure out how to set this up. Well, we know this is half of this, so if I double this guy, I get the full deal. Part plus part equals whole. So I can go 2 times 3x minus 2 equals 5x minus 2. So this is just like number 3 that we did above. We're going to distribute. And just solve away. Boom, done. And last but not least, we're going to check out some perpendicular bisector problems, okay? Remember, what does a perpendicular bisector do? 90-degree angle, bisects a side. It cuts it in half. So AB would be 7 plus 4x. BC would be 5x minus 1. Those guys are congruent, so we set them equal to one another. So we've got ourselves a 7 plus 4x equals 5x minus 1. And we're just going to solve away. Boom. 8 equals x. Now make sure you read your problems well, because again, sometimes you might be given a full side length and you're going to have to do that a different way. Let's check number 10. AB, perpendicular bisector. AB is 7x minus 6. BC is 5x plus 6. Okay, those guys are equal. And we're just ready to solve using our algebra. Boom, done. And last one I want to do is this guy here. Median. Okay, perpendicular bisector. Definitely looks different, doesn't it? That's okay. And we're told that AB is 7x plus 2. And AC is 46. Remember, AC is the whole thing. So now I can double my half to get my whole. 2 halves make a whole. We know that. And classic algebra from here on out. So again, what we're doing here is 2 halves make a whole. 2 of these guys make the full guy. 14x plus 4 equals 46. And from here, it's back to algebra. Boom. So there you go. Hopefully that gives you a little idea of what these guys look like. And yeah, get started on that work and let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching.